Lenovo Legion 2 Pro design and colors are officially confirmed, and it will feature dual X-axis linear motor. Hey, it's Anwar for TechnoLeaks. Lenovo Legion 2 is launching today. Lenovo Legion 2 Pro gaming phone is so powerful it needs built-in cooling fan. Leaked photos of Lenovo new gaming phone show a cooling fan on the rear. Lenovo is not messing around with its new Legion 2 Pro gaming phone. New leaked snaps show it will have a physical cooling fan built in. Recently leaked live images of the Lenovo Legion 2 Pro arriving today revealed what the smartphone looks like. Now the company has shared a few more official teasers on its Weibo account, confirming the design we saw in those leaked pictures. The successor to the Lenovo Legion Pro Dual first surfaced last month in the form of leaked specs that suggested it would pack some serious power. Now photos of the device have now appeared ahead of its scheduled launch in China this week, and it's sure to turn a few heads. The posters confirm that Legion 2 Pro will have at least two color options, and Lenovo also confirmed the presence of shoulder triggers on the smartphone for better gaming experience. Lenovo was relatively late to enter the smartphone gaming arena, only debuting its Legion brand last year, but the new model looks set to pose a serious challenge to the likes of the Asus ROG Phone 5. Based on the photos of the device shared with Antutu, the front of the handset is not too dissimilar to many pics in the best phones list, supporting a traditional smartphone shape. Additionally, the Legion 2 Pro will come with the next generation mid-range Architecture 2.0, which will bring better thermal design, allowing Lenovo to use a horizontal dual battery and a cooling system to optimize heat dissipation, resulting in improved sustained performance. The smartphone will also feature dual front speakers and a dual X-axis linear motor. The Lenovo Legion 2 Pro's back, however, shows a colorful module nestled in the middle of the phone. There is some doubt as to whether this module is raised or not, with Bebop reporting that it's just out to produce a rocking motion when laid on a table, but GSM Arena stating that they think it's an optical illusion and that the middle module is flat with the rest of the phone's rear. Either way, GSM Arena claims that it will feature twin turbofans plus a liquid cooling chamber between them to dissipate heat. Lenovo has not divulged the complete spec sheet of the Legion 2 Pro yet, but it previously confirmed the gaming smartphone will come with a Snapdragon 888 chip, 6.92-inch 144Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, and a 5500 mAh battery with 90-watt charging. At a glance, the externally visible fan leaves the Legion 2 Pro exposed to dust and water due to its open vents. Despite this, it's look pretty damn cool. We just hope it ships with some form of protective seal for the fan's casing, but Lenovo has yet to confirm anything of this nature. Other gaming phones such as the Nubia Red Magic 6 use integrated cooling fan as well, but Red Magic keeps the fans hidden inside to force hot air outside through the system grill for better protection. Its front-facing camera also looks like offering something a little different. It will sit on the side of the phone rather than the top, so you face it correctly when playing in landscape mode, and will have a motorized pop-up mechanism as on the OnePlus 7 Pro. The main rear camera meanwhile is said to be a 64 megapixel effort that can capture 8K video at 30 frames per second. We won't have to wait long till we know for sure what the Lenovo Legion 2 Pro will offer. Its official launch takes place in China on Thursday 8 April. Stay tuned for more news soon. What do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested to buy a Lenovo Legion 2 Pro? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.